Um, this one is interesting. The NWA says a section of the Junction Road in St. Mary will be closed to traffic for 6 hours per day. That will start Monday, July 30, and they say this is to facilitate ongoing road construction works along that corridor. They said the road closure is to be effected between the community of Broadgate and Westmoreland Bridge and will run from 9 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon. Interestingly, they say there is no designated alternate route. They say, however, that motorists traveling from the direction of the roundabout at Agualta Vale or the Jamaica Producers Farm will be able to access the Westmoreland Bridge to travel to Highgate and environs during the period of closure. She says the reverse will obtain for persons traveling from Highgate towards Onotta Bay. They say approximately 4.8 kilometers of roadway from Broadgate to Agualta Vale is currently being rehabilitated at a cost of some $598 million. And the project is expected to be completed by the end of the year.
$598 million is a lot of money. Is a lot of money.
What's the next one?
Next one is the House approves a new national minimum wage. All right. The House of Representatives yesterday approved the new national minimum wage of $7,000 per 40-hour week for the lowest paid workers. The new rate, which becomes effective on Emancipation Day, August 1, will increase the old rate of $6,200, which has been in effect since 2016. The minimum rate paid to security guards has also been increased simultaneously as usual to $9,700, up from $8,854 per week, and reflecting a 9.6% increase. Opening the debate today, the Minister of Labor and Social Security, Shahini Robinson, said that, not today, my apologies, my people, yesterday, the Minister of Labor and Social Security said that it was necessary for her ministry to do a balancing act in order to protect both the wage-earning employers as well as the workers earning the national minimum wage. So opposition Horace Daly on the Labor and Welfare opposition criticized the government, however, for calling back the MP from their summer break to approve an increase which was announced from June, and also suggested that it was not enough. But you know, when it comes to our House of Representatives, it's always exciting, and there's always going to be opposition. But you can continue to follow the story. But as we remind you, minimum wage is up from $6,200 to $7,000.
All right, so there's no water apparently in Mount Zion. So the Young People's National Party group, the Patriots, they're saying they need to get some water up there. They say a visit by a delegation led by the president has revealed that the routine trucking of water to the area, which took place when Paul Buchanan and Otis Hamilton were up there, was discontinued after the change of administration in 2016. Apparently a good Samaritan in the community offered to assist the community by allowing them to extend her NWC metered water supply into the community by way of a standpipe. Apparently there's no water up there, which is kind of strange. And then?
That's what's going on. Some people say water is not the problem, it's the absence of engineering. We'll look at that more as you stay tuned to our show. All right, that's what's hot, that's what's going on. In other news, let's just love each other more.